my shoulder and lift yourself up.
Yeah, I'm too turned for it. Like,
okay, just like that. Just keep turning that way.
The problem is I need something to push off of with my foot to get.
Okay.
I don't have any traction.
Alan, can I go around somehow?
It's easy. Somebody in there, give her a foothold.
Yeah, whoever's big and strong, or two of you.
Grab this foot and pull it towards the other. Thank you. Okay, now I just need to come out.
There you go.
Thank you, guys.
That was awesome.
Okay. Come on back.
I just need a little bit of.
Yeah, just keep holding on up top so you can lift yourself up and out. You're good. You're good.
With the feet, thank you. You're good.
Thank you.
That was amazing.
Yeah, that was good. That is a tough one.
Could you go that way?
I have your backpack, just so you know.
Okay, I want to make sure you're out up there. Totally. Somebody with them?
No. I'm just a little too big for that.
Where we're going, we can see them. And I can get to them real quick.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Too big for that one. He's coming around. Just stay right there.
Okay. We're good. We're going to go down that?
I think she's still going that way.
You're still going that way?
She's got a little step.
How?
I got something.
Why am I telling you to move then?
No, you're good.
No, I'm trying.
I can spot people coming over and then I'll come around.
Can you spot her going down there?
Yeah, I can spot people coming over and I'll come back.
I have your backpack.
I'm out of the way. Here we go.
Never a dull moment.
This is fun. Yesterday, this kid went in there, through there, and then he came back a different way. And I don't know what hole he came out. I don't know what he did. I went on the shelf and I came right back out.
That's hysterical.
Well, I'll have to figure out how he did that.
Well, that's why I told Autumn to just sit down before she gets lost in some crevice somewhere. Like, just wait.
Gotta go feet first.
Dangle your feet.
Not going that way? Yeah, I broke in the tunnel a little. I need a break.
I was all gung ho. And then lost my courage.
I was considering it till she got
You good?
stuck in.
Oh, she's in.
That was the
Okay.
of any amount. Well, no, my purse is already gone. I was just maybe thinking of I also need to be able to get myself out of the cave, so I really probably need to stop.
You fit in there, no problem. All right, we're headed down this way. Yeah, go on. Anytime you want to make a right, it all goes to the same place.
Autumn, just wait, okay? Just wait. Okay.
Get my left foot down. All right, just keep going. Keep going. You're doing good.
We're going to the right, you said?
To the right. Anytime you want to go to the right, just go to the right.
She's the one that's
He does not have to. He said we could keep going. But if you want
Okay, this rock right here.
Yeah, we're in the front.
We'll just go right
she's
over.
like a little mama bear? Well, thank you for that.
I'll go over first, that way I can get to them in the other
I
room.
did see that Connor hung over the light. I saw that.
Oh, that doesn't look too hard.
Thank you. A little tunnel right there. Whoa.
Okay. Now keep in mind, when you guys get up here, we're going to wait till we get a couple more people up. I can do this speech once.
Oh.
I'm going that way.
We've like repaired her, I think, with your dog.
Okay. We got enough people here. Keep in mind, right here is a hole. If you look at it, it's a short crawl to the next hallway, which is standing room. Hallway, okay? You can go that way. I'm going to go this way and get them up through that passage there. You can come with me if you want, or else, or just go through this hole.
I think where he's going.
There is one more class.
Have fun, Becca.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hello.
Anybody want to come up here?
I am.
Okay, I'll take that. Becca, when you're over there, you can just relax for a while. Okay, they're going to be coming up out of here. So if you guys want to come up here, you can. Or you can go through that hall and just relax, and they'll all be coming down there eventually.
Okay. Here, I'll give somebody a hand.
No, I'm going to go down further. I don't know when I'm going to get back up again.
Are they going to the hole?
Yeah. That's for this one. One of the two. Here we go.
Autumn.
Hi guys.
Oh, there they are.
How do I get down there?
Come here, sit, hold onto the rocks, and slide down. Okay, carefully. And I'm right here. Here's a place to put a foot, and if you want to, just lean on me. And here, wait. You step on my shoulder there. Okay, now slide down. Okay. You got there?
I'm there.
Okay.
Now where do we go after?
Where?
We're going that way.
If you want to, you can. You know what?
Hello.
I'm going to stay here to make sure they get out of there, okay? But if you go down there, you see that hole there to the left? Down there? If you go down there and squeeze it behind there, you can climb up and be in the next room with them. If you want to do that, okay? Now, yet, if you want to wait with somebody and do it with... I'm sorry, let me just step on you.
She's just getting the kids coming up.
Okay, Bailey, you go up last.
Oop.
Somebody, I'll bring Autumn up.
Oh, you're figuring out your teamwork, huh? Awesome. I like that.
I can see them. Don't worry.
If you wanted to sit, you can find a place here to sit down. Awesome. And they're going to be coming up here or back behind over there.
Oh, they might come another way?
This is a wide place.
Oh, I see. They have a few choices.
You have a few choices of where to go. And I don't think anybody's going to come out the back. I think we're all here. Very good. Look at this. Look at this.
Where does she go now?
Well, you could go back and go into that hole that I showed you, and over there. You can climb over this rock here and go down and squeeze under another rock, or you can go back behind me and squeeze back there and go over to the next hole.
Autumn, was that you?
Yeah, I got a boost up, Mom.
You did?
Whoa, my God.
You're going to go behind me because you're going to do another passage.
Yay!
Come up here. Yeah, you can do it. Put your feet there. Come up here and sit up here. How we doing?
Good job, love.
Okay. If you need help, just say so. I'll be right there.
I got a boost up.
Yeah, that's a tough one for
I
you.
love the teamwork. All right. Can I fit through that passage?
Yeah,
Or is it a little
yeah.
tight?
No, I've seen adults go through that.
Wait, but is it a belly crawl also?
There is a crawl. There is a crawl.
I think I'm good with crawling.
Let me push stuff out of the way here real
All right,
quick.
we gotta get you.
Okay.
Or
Hold
we
on.
could come around the other side and we
Let
could
me-
make a light. Like we could go back around the other side and we could help you.
I don't know, stay here, left.
I gotta get the bag.
Oh, I got you.
I got the bag.
Let's see what they're doing.
I got my bag.
How are you guys doing?
Okay, wait.
I'm sorry, that's your finger. I was like, what's that weird thing?
Yeah. Here, can Sonny grab the bag? This is the bag.
Uh-oh. You alright? Yeah. Okay, I just saw you disappear.
Dun, dun.
Are you the last one?
That was fun.
I can always pick you up and put you on the shelf.
Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Alright. Okay, so those that
All right.
give this other
But you're not going that way, Alan.
no, because I want to get around the other side, take pictures of you coming out. Oh, jeez. I don't have both feet over. Yeah. I didn't have both feet over the side.
Sammy, come. I'll get your bag for you.
Oh, you're awesome.
Go down here. Okay. Now,
Your bag?
I'm really helping, love. I love your teamwork.
you guys are doing great.
Were you the last one?
Baby's still in there, but she's doing it.
Oh, she's the last one. Is your name Madeline? Madeline, thanks for helping my show.
Okay.
Now to the rest of the people.
Come here.
They went a different way.
This is a drop, so I want to take care of you. There, you're going to go that way. Down there.
Good job. It's so hard to go. Good job. Well, next.
Now, you see that hole there? To the left? You want to go explore that?
That you have.
What's in there?
Oh, Madeline?
Mud and a passageway to the other side.
Okay, well, you made it up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So who's your buddy?
Autumn is. Autumn, oh.
Up here?
Autumn or Eva?
Autumn or Eva, okay.
Take your time going down. Because it's slippery.
So wait, there's 5 of them. Are you going right there?
Here, I'll take my bag back. That's Madeline's. Thank you.
There's
You
another
can
one.
have a seat and put your feet here. You want to do that?
I can
Put
go
this hand
first
down
if you
low.
want.
Autumn, love.
Go down that
Put
route.
this
I
hand
don't
here,
want
put
you
it down
first
here.
this time.
I'm right here. You're not going anywhere, okay?
Did she
Now
go?
put both feet out in
No,
front of
not
you.
yet.
Okay. Where are you?
There.
Oh.
See? Easy.
Don't be first.
Easy.
Let
I'm
the
right
bigger
here.
girls go,
Okay.
right?
Well, two
All right.
big girls
Now,
went with me.
Hold on to the
Okay,
ledge
that's
here as
fine.
you're going down. I'm right here.
It's down that way, right?
Yes. Keep an eye on her. She's coming down this rock.
Okay.
Spot her.
Avery, no, I got it. I'm just
You got it? Okay. Just be careful because it's slippery.
I can go. I'll wait for everybody to go, and then I'll go in.
Okay. Can you reach that?
I'll lead the way down. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, we're in here.
It's a little slippery here. I got you. You're not going anywhere. Sit down on the rock. You're small enough you can do that. And just slide down with a sliding board.
Thank you.
Guys are doing amazing.
They are doing so good.
They are doing amazing things.
Amazing.
Because you called it amazing. She just said it's amazing.
Oh!
Is that everyone? Yeah, she's the last one, right?
I'm not.
Huh?
I'm not going.
You're not going?
No.
Okay.
It's another belly call, right?
Yeah.
Is
Up,
it a long one?
go up
Where they are?
where they, over to the next hallway. There, you'll see an archway.
Okay.
Go through the heart. Just go through the archway. Sit there.
Okay.
That's gonna be tough to get out of.
Now just give me
You
your
got up.
bag.
That's good.
I'm so small, I can just do it.
Yeah. Am I going that way?
It's easier if you keep going
Straight.
straight, and then there's a hole on your right-hand side in the wall. Okay, they're gone. You'll find it. Follow! Guys, if you want to go through the archway, they're coming out on the other side of the arch.
Oh, we're going there?
Yes. Yes. Oh, wait. Where's, where's my bat lady?
Oh, she went that way.
The Girl Scout lady or the mom?
Okay.
I think we have her already.
And she came back, like the Girl Scout back lady, right?
Okay.
She went that way.
I need her back up here.
Liz? Liz?
Liz,
Yeah?
come up here. I want to see if I can find this other one again.
Oh, the back. Oh, I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, maybe this way.
Yeah, you can come over here.
You might be able to see it from down. Oops.
There.
Do you see it up there?
I'm gonna get behind you.
Oh, I can see it.
It looks like a little brown bat.
I don't think I have the right angle. Let's.
She can find it. I can see it from down here.
So if you go down, you might be able to see it.
When he has to put his light.
That or also, yeah, that or.
Right there. Do you see it up there?
I'll go down and have a
Have to look
peek.
all the way up. One blind, I can't see it a little bumpy. Look literally where I'm standing. It's like this.
I forgot my laser pointer. I really need to keep that on me. Do you guys see it?